ZUMA-7 is really the first global randomized, completely enrolled clinical trial testing out CAR T-cell therapy in large B-cell lymphoma in the second-line setting. That study enrolled hundreds of patients across sites around the world and showed that CAR T-cell therapy not only is the preferable treatment to existing chemotherapy and transplant options in terms of leading to remission and sustained remission, it actually, patients randomized to the CAR T-cell therapy arm had better overall survival. And so, really CAR T-cell therapy is, come on to the scene quite quickly in the treatment of lymphomas and now multiple myelomas and now solid tumors. But the results are remarkable, and ZUMA-7 really illustrates that with the first randomized study showing a survival benefit of CAR T-cell therapy. So we're excited to have participated and been able to bring that therapy to our patients. But of course, it doesn't cure everyone, and that's why we're working in my lab and with collaborators really around the world to figure out how can we make CAR T-cell therapy better. And there's many possible ways to do that, and we're excited to be able to participate in lots of research to try to advance the field. We're excited about so many things we're working on. One recent finding, we published a clinical trial using allogeneic or donor CAR T cells, the ALPHA clinical trials, and we published that in the Journal of Clinical Oncology, and was very fortunate to be able to participate and help design that clinical trial. And we're now conducting a phase 3 randomized trial, seeing if donor-derived CAR T cells could provide benefit to lymphoma patients. We're also working here at Moffitt Cancer Center with our health outcomes and behavior team and members of our CAR T-cell therapy team to study diet and exercise and mindfulness. And we're working very hard to bring those interventions to patients and see how it could improve their quality of life. And then in my laboratory, I have a whole team that's developing new CAR T cells that are armored and to become metabolically flexible, to work better. Those T cells can kill the cancer cells better in the tumor microenvironment. And so we're looking forward to bringing that therapy forward to a clinical trial soon.